The traditional business team is dead. By 2026, the most successful companies on the planet aren't hiring more people. Instead, they are deploying autonomous agents. We've moved from simple scripts to digital brains that can reason and execute. We are moving from if this then that automation to agentic workflows. These are systems that don't just follow rules, they solve problems. These agents possess the ability to interpret natural language, query internal databases, and adapt their paths based on real-time feedback. The driver of this revolution, a 90% drop in LLM costs since 2023. Mass automation is now affordable for every startup. Companies that embrace this change are scaling operations at a fraction of the cost. The gap between those who adapt and those who don't is now a chasm. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the 10 AI agents that can replace or augment an entire business team. These aren't just tools, they're employees. From technical architects to autonomous sales pros, here is the ultimate guide to the future of business productivity in 2026. Number 1. The Architect, N8N. In 2026, it is the dominant choice for technical teams who need absolute control over their data. Unlike its competitors, N8N's Fair Code license allows you to self-host for maximum privacy, a critical need as agent security becomes a top priority. The heart of N8N is the AI agent node. It uses frameworks like LangChain to let LLMs use your other software nodes as their own tools. You give it a goal, and the agent autonomously chooses the best sequence of actions to achieve it. It's the brain in your automation machine. For IT teams, an N8N agent can receive a server alert, analyze logs for patterns, and execute a diagnostic script before a human even sees the notification. The agent sending a summary report to Slack with the text, "Issue resolved, cache cleared," a green check mark appearing. Number 2. The Connector, Zapier Central. If N8N is for the architects, Zapier Central is for the business builders who need speed and integration. It connects to over 9,000 applications, turning them into tools that an AI agent can command using simple, plain English instructions. There is zero code required. You teach the agent its role, provide its tools, and it begins executing tasks across your entire software stack immediately. In 2026, its support for the Model Context Protocol allows specialized AI models to trigger complex zaps directly, making it the most connected brain on Earth. 3. Relevance AI, the workforce. This is where you move beyond single agents and start building entire digital departments that collaborate. It specializes in multi-agent orchestration. You can have separate agents for research, writing, and design, all sharing context and working toward one goal. For content teams, a researcher agent finds the data, a copywriter drafts the report, and a designer formats the visuals, all in one autonomous loop. It eliminates the handoff friction that slows down human teams. Your agents work 24/7 with only a final human approval required at the end. Number 4. Lindy AI, the digital employee. Lindy is the pre-built hire for businesses that don't want to build workflows from scratch. She comes ready for specific roles: email manager, customer support, or research assistant. You hire her, give her access, and she starts working instantly. Lindy is optimized for personal and team productivity. She can handle the mindless work that costs your employees 17 hours of productivity every week. From scheduling complex meetings to managing your inbox, Lindy acts as a highly capable personal assistant that never sleeps and never misses a detail. 5. Stack AI, the enterprise brain. Stack AI is the leader in turning your company's data into an interactive, intelligent resource. It specializes in RAG, allowing you to build internal agents that are grounded in your specific documents, manuals, and customer history. No hallucinations. It eliminates the SQL bottleneck. Anyone in your organization can ask a natural language question and get a data-grounded answer in seconds. No code required. Stack AI turns every employee into a data analyst. It's like having a team of business intelligence experts available to every department, 24/7. 6. Salesforce Agentforce, the Sales Pro. In 2026, Salesforce has integrated autonomous agents directly into the heart of their CRM ecosystem. Agentforce doesn't just store lead data, it acts on it. It researches a prospect, checks past interactions, and drafts a personalized pitch before you even log in. It ensures that no prospect ever falls through the cracks. The agent handles the initial nurturing, leaving your human sales team to focus solely on high-value closing. It scales your sales operations without scaling your headcount. It's an autonomous sales assistant that delivers a full pipeline of qualified meetings every single day. 7. Tray.ai, the communicator. Its Merlin Agent Builder is designed for high-performance, enterprise-scale autonomous actions across your tech stack. Tray excels in environments where speed and volume are non-negotiable. It turns complex business logic into high-performance, reliable agentic workflows. When you need agents to process thousands of transactions or data points per second across disparate apps, Tray is the engine that keeps it all synchronized. It bridges the gap between technical complexity and business logic, allowing your operations team to deploy enterprise-grade agents without a massive engineering team. 8. Gumloop, the data researcher. If your business depends on gathering information from the web, Gumloop is your most powerful employee. It replaces days of manual research and copy-pasting with autonomous agents that can navigate complex sites and extract specific data points at scale. Use it for competitor monitoring, lead enrichment, or market analysis. Gumloop can even navigate login screens and solve CAPTCHAs to get the data you need. It's like having a team of research assistants working 24/7 to ensure your business always has the most up-to-date market intelligence. 9. Fin by Intercom, the support specialist. By 2026, Fin handles 60% of all customer inquiries without any human intervention. The key is grounding. Fin stays strictly within your own support documentation and manuals, providing instant, accurate answers that your customers can trust. Fin knows its limits. If a query is high stakes or emotional, it instantly triages the ticket and hands it to a human with a complete summary of the context. It eliminates the Tier 1 support bottleneck, letting your human support team focus on the empathy and complex problem-solving that agents can't handle yet. And finally, AgentOps, the supervisor. In a world full of autonomous agents, you need a manager to ensure everything is running safely and effectively. AgentOps monitors your entire agentic workforce for hallucinations, security breaches, and policy alignment. It is the governance layer for the future of business. It provides full observability. You can see exactly why an agent made a decision, ensuring accountability and compliance in even the most regulated industries. AgentOps makes enterprise-scale AI possible by removing the fear of autonomous systems. It is the human-in-the-loop enabler that builds organizational trust. Despite these incredible tools, only 7% of organizations have successfully scaled AI across their entire enterprise. There is a massive adoption gap. The reason? A trust deficit. Companies are terrified of production hallucinations and security breaches. They are stuck in the experimentation phase. The secret to scaling is not more technology, it's better governance. The most successful teams use human-in-the-loop gates for high-stakes decisions. You automate the routine, but you keep a human in the driver's seat for anything that impacts your brand, your budget, or your legal standing. That is how you scale safely. The most valuable skill in 2026 is agent orchestration. It is no longer about doing the work, it is about managing the digital brains that do the work. Understanding how to connect an LLM brain to a business tool hand is the new coding. It is the foundational skill for every leader in the next decade. By 2027, the concept of a business team will be inseparable from AI agents. We are entering the era of the one-person billion-dollar company. The companies that start building their agentic workforce today are the ones that will own the market tomorrow. The revolution is already here. Don't get left behind. We've put together a set of AI automation templates for N8N, Zapier, and Relevance AI to help you get started right now. Click the link in the description to download your free templates and start building your first autonomous agentic workflow today. It's time to scale your business. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more deep dives into the AI agents and strategies that are shaping the future of business. We release new guides every week. Thank you for watching. The future of productivity is in your hands. We will see you in the next one. Out.